Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Archie and today I have created this look which is inspired by Shehnaz Kaur Gill. अगर आप लोग बिग बॉस देखते हैं तो आप शहनाज को ज़रूर जानते होंगे. She is one of my favorite contestant in this season. I really love Big Boss. तो अगर आप भी Big Boss देखते हैं then who is your favorite contestant? Please let me know in comment section below. If you wanna know how I have created this look, then keep on watching this video. Without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So I have already moisturized my face. Now I'm going to use this sunscreen from Neutrogena, sheer zinc sunscreen. I'll apply it all over my face. अगर आप स्मोकी आई मेकअप करने वाले हैं तो आपको एक बहुत अच्छा बेस मेकअप करना होता है. आपका बेस बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए इस मेकअप के लिए. और I'm going to do this makeup in the daytime, so I have to use the sunscreen. सनस्क्रीन से आपको एक बहुत अच्छा ग्लोई और ब्राइटर लुक मिल जाता है. फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ मेकअप लुक आई नीड दिस perfect base, so I have applied this sunscreen. Now I'm going to use this pore minimizer from Benefit Cosmetics, one of my favorite primer. If you have open pore, then you should apply a primer before the makeup. Now I'm going to use the same trick I have used in my previous videos as well for eye makeup. So first I'm going to use this concealer all over my eyelid. Smoky eye के लिए you have to apply a concealer or any eye primer because we need a very good base for smoky eye makeup look. Next I'm going to use this Faces eye pencil. You can use any of the kajal pencil. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. अगर आप स्मोकी आई मेकअप करने वाले हैं then you can use this trick because then you don't need to apply so many eyeshadows and you will get a perfect base for your smoky eye makeup look. Now I'm going to use this blending brush and I'll apply it all over my lid. Next I'm going to use this lighter brown eyeshadow and apply it all over my crease area. We have to blend it properly because we don't want any harsh lines, so we have to blend both the shades properly. Next I'm going to use this darker shade all over my lid. Because it's a smoky, brown smoky eye makeup looks, I'm going to use a bit darker brown shade and I'll apply it all over my lid. And now I'll blend all the colors properly. Next I'm going to use this lighter off-white kind of shade just to highlight my eyebrows. First I have to fill in my... Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows because my eyebrows fill करना भूल गई थी, तो I'm doing it now. I'm going to use this darker brown eyebrow pencil and I'm just filling my eyebrows according to my eyebrow shape. I don't need to change my eyebrows. From L'Oreal Paris. It's a very good eyeliner. mascara from Maybelline. I'll apply 2 pot of mascaras because I'm not going to use any fake eyelashes. If you wanna match the look in this picture, then you should apply the fake eyelashes. But I don't have fake eyelashes right now, so I'm using 2 coats of mascara. Now I'm going to apply my foundation, which is MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'll take it on the back of my hand and I'm going to use this dab sponge. स्पॉन्ज को अच्छे से गीला करके आपको स्क्वीज़ करके यूज़ करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज़ ये आपका पूरा प्रोडक्ट एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है. And we have to dab it and apply it properly so that you will get a airbrush kind of finish look. So I'm blending it properly, it's taking some time. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer. For blending the concealer, you can use your finger or you can use the same sponge from Real Technique I'm using. Now it's time for contouring. I'm going to use this darker brown shade. You can use any of the shade which is a bit darker than your foundation shade, at least 2 tone darker. And for blending my contouring, I'm going to use the same blending sponge. And I have to blend it properly. Brown color bronzer just to set my contouring. Now I'm going to use a loose powder to set my concealer. Now it's time for blush. I'm going to use the same blush from Lakme and apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Now I'll use some highlighter to highlight my cheekbones. I'm going to use a nude color eyeliner pencil on my waterline. If you have small eyes, then you can use this trick so that your eyes will look a bit bigger. Sana normally use this kind of pencil, so I'm using this in this video. Now I'm going to use this nude color lip liner, and I'm going to use a lipstick from Maybelline.
So I hope I have done justice with this look. So this is the final look, guys. It's brown, a smoky eye with a dark lip color.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ta-da, bye bye.